Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add your Yahoo Mail to your iPhone. If you've just got an iPhone and want to get your Yahoo Mail working in the built-in Mail app rather than using a separate app, then you've come to the right place. First of all, launch open your Settings application on your iPhone and then inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and look for the Mail application. If you don't find it there, in the newer iOS versions it may appear under Apps. So let's tap open Apps and under Apps look for Mail and tap on it. On the next page, click on the Mail Accounts option and this will show you all of the mail accounts that has been connected. Now click on Add Account from the options. Under Add Account, select Yahoo. This will now take you to the Yahoo sign-in area where you need to enter your email address, phone number or your username associated with your Yahoo account. Go ahead and type down your Yahoo account's email, phone number or username and once done, click on Next. On the next page, write down your password for your Yahoo account. If you don't remember the password, you can tap the forgotten password link and reset to a new password. If you remember your password, write it down in the text box. Finally, click Next. Soon after you are logged in using your credentials, you can now go ahead and click on Save at the top right corner and you have successfully added your Yahoo Mail to iPhone Mail app. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.